Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a screenshot with a phone frame like this. Let me show you an example. I mean, if a frame like this, see the screenshot, it has a frame, a phone frame. Without wasting of time, let us start. This is our phone and we want to make a screenshot. You can hold a power button plus volume down button to make a screenshot with an Android phone, or you can pull down here and you see there is a screenshot. What then you click there, see, then you click there, here edit, sorry, you click in edit. Let us do it again. We pull and we make a screenshot, and then you go there at edit, and then you click here. When you see a frame screenshot, see done. Then you save. When you go there in your gallery, you will find that pic with the frame. See, that is what I'm talking about. Let's take another example. That is screenshot. We made a screenshot with it. Power button plus volume down button. Then save. Okay. See what I'm talking about. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, share and comment. Thank you.